What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video. It feels so good to be back in front of my camera. Like, I don't know what I was thinking taking a hiatus for that freaking long, but today I got a video that I've been wanting to film because it's like, girl, everything you buy is not good. Let me be the first to tell you. And then I got some stuff from like every type of category. So I got like skincare stuff, body care, candles, perfume, fragrance, all that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into the video without further delay. So the first thing that I want to talk about is oral hygiene, y'all. Oh my gosh. So the first thing I want to talk about is this Equate Dual Motion Power Toothbrush. This is the second one that I bought. I've got one in my bathroom now, but I'm gonna throw it away because it's about 6 months old. But I bought it again. This is what it looks like. Y'all, this toothbrush is so bomb. It comes with the different kind of, can y'all see that? I'm trying to get it to focus because I am using natural light today. Okay, so it's a dual motion clean and power brush, which is great. It like spins and stuff. It has the floss heads, the succulus tips, and the gum stimulator. I love that. And then look at all these floss heads you get. Like, can y'all see that? I think it's like 20. Is it 20 of them? I don't know, but you get a lot. This toothbrush is so bomb, and these are not that expensive. I think I got this from Walmart. I want to say it was less than $15, but yeah, this is bomb. It's by Equate. The next oral hygiene item that I want to talk about is this True White Whitening Kit. Bomb. So I found this on Groupon with a code. So it comes with these syringes, and this has like the teeth whitening gel in it. And then you get the little light kit. I keep mine in this plastic for sanitary reasons. And then you get the mouth guard. Now I got the one for 2 people because once I use that one, I'll start using this one. But these are so good. Like, I started noticing results, and probably I want to say after 2 uses. I'm really big on oral hygiene and like teeth and, you know, all that good stuff. So this is really good. And like I said, I got this from Groupon. I think the original price was over $200. I don't know why, but I think it's because it has the 12% hydrogen peroxide in it. But I don't know. I think I paid like $5 for this after all of the codes and discounts and stuff like that through Groupon. Alright, so sticking with the body care and caring for yourself and hygiene and all of that theme, the next thing I got was a pack of these little facial scrubber things. Now these are really good. Like, I was using the Clarisonic for so long, and then I started doing research like on the bristle heads and how bacteria and stuff can be lodged in. And these are silicone, so they are easier to keep clean. What I like to do is, once I put whatever face product I'm using on it and I go at it, I like to go ahead and rinse it out really good. And sometimes I'll just spray it with some alcohol, or I'll put it in front of my facial steamer when I'm steaming, just to make sure that there's no bacteria on this. And then I just throw it in like a sandwich bag and use it the next day. So that is really good. And I think I got the 2-pack. Of course, I'm inserting clips, but I got the 2-pack. I think it was like $3 or $4 at Marshall's. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about is going to be this Me Bath Moisturizing Hemp Body Scrub. Oh my gosh, this is so bomb. Like, I love this body scrub so much. It's really soft, so it's not like it's kind of liquidy, so it does not have the texture of the tree hug ones. I got a lot of the tree hug ones. I like those too, but it smells so good. This is the pomegranate one. I think they had like an original one. I got this one from Walmart, and it's supposed to have original hemp seed oil. I haven't done any research on hemp seed oil or what it's supposed to do for your body, but I know that after I use that baby, my skin already like butter, but it be like melted butter or softened butter. That stuff is so good. So I do recommend picking that up at Walmart, because I originally went in to get like the Dove one. I wanted to try the Dove one, but they were out, so I got that one instead. and I'm not upset about it. It's real good. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to talk about is a brand that you probably seen all over Instagram. Everybody promoting it, all of that. It is it's the Ancient Cosmetics line. The items that I picked up, I did have the turmeric soap, but I've used it all. The ones I picked up was the Perfectly Even Skin Face Wash and then the Even Skin Healthy Glow Body Oil. These two things are amazing. Like, I slather in this. I put it from head to toe, my face, my chest, my arms, my legs. But every part of my body gets covered in this Even Skin. Now, I don't know if it's really doing anything because I don't have a lot of skin issues, but I do know that I love the smell. It's like a subtle scent. You can smell the lemon oil in it. It has sunflower, grapeseed, jojoba, vitamin E, lemon essential, turmeric essential, and rose hip oils. So that's a lot of oils, and it really nourishes the skin. That stuff is bomb. Like, I highly recommend you guys try that out. With this one, this face wash, I do like the face wash. However, I don't like that it has so many oils in it. So it's kind of like when it doesn't froth up or like foam up like a normal face wash would do. So with this one, because it has a lot of oils in it, sometimes it's hard to kind of get it in there and rinse it off. The rinse off process for me is the hardest. Sometimes I'll just do like a white cloth, wipe it off, and then do a rinse after. But I really do love this stuff. It does leave your skin feeling really smooth, and I did notice that my skin looked a little more balanced. So I do like this, but I don't love it like I love the Even Skin Healthy Glow one. Sticking with that theme, this is another product that I absolutely love. I've had this for over a year, I'm sure. This is the Cocoa Shea Coconut Moisturizing Body Oil by Bath & Body Works. And I'm not a girl who uses lotion. I love a good body oil. I just feel like it absorbs better and the results are more lasting than lotion is. And then I don't like a lot of fragrance. You know, fragrance ain't that good for your skin, honey. So I try not to use things that have a lot of fragrance in it. And then this one has the cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. So this is good for your skin. I do like shea butter. I use shea butter a lot, especially on my feet. I like to, like, after the shower, I like to slather my feet with the shea butter and then put on like some big comfy socks. Girl, it's so good. Anywho, this is really good. And then the only two makeup products that I have that I want to talk about is this Maybelline Fit Me Madame Poreless. This one of the OG foundations, so y'all already know how this get down. But this color is in 338 Spicy Brown. It is the one that I have on today. Yes, queen. But anyway, this is the Madame Poreless one. I really love this one. This is the one that I use like when I really got nowhere fancy to go. I don't want to use any of my higher end foundations, so I throw this one on. So I really love this. And then the other one I got, makeup product that I have, is the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in Deep Peach. And that is this one. I didn't wear this one today. Today I have one, the Fenty Setting Powder in Honey. But this is really good as well. I got this one from Marshalls and it was only $12.99. So these are the two products that I've been loving lately when it comes to makeup products. I'm going to move on to fragrance. Now, I don't know if y'all know, but Giorgio Armani had a sale, and I think they still got the sale where like certain fragrances are 40% off, and they do have some really popular ones on there, like the C, the Giorgio Armani Absolute for Men. They have a lot of the Gioias. So one that I picked up was the Sky Gioia, and this one is the Sky. I have the Aqua Gioia and the Air Gioia already, and this one is the Sky. This is the bottle, and I just went ahead and got the 1 ounce. I wish I would have got the bigger one. And this one smells so good. I'm trying to see if it had the notes on it. Now this one doesn't have any notes on it, but y'all, this is like the ultimate girly, womanly perfume. It smells so good. Like all the Gioias smell good. I I don't like the I think it's the Sky one that I don't like, because it smells like bubbles to me. Y'all know them bubbles that you have when you was a kid, that you kind of, you know what bubbles are. I don't like this smell. But this is the Sky de Gioia. It comes in this pretty little pink bottle. This stuff smells amazing. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, it's just so good. I really can't even explain what it smells like, but it's amazing. It kind of got like a underlying citrus, and it has some florals. It's bomb.com. Like, get this. And then another one is the Aqua de Gioia. Get that one. And if it's still on sale, I'll link it below. I'm sure it is, and then they should have the code below as well. So that kind of sums up the things that I purchased that I've been loving lately. Now I'm going to talk about a couple items that I purchased that I don't like too much, that other people may like, but it ain't me, girl. It's not me. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is this body buffing and massage little thingy that I got from Marshall's. This thing is so rough on the skin. The bristles are really coarse to the point they hurt. It's kind of like scratchy. I don't like it. It's just like I can't do anything with this. So I will be throwing this away. I don't want to, because it looks so pretty and it looks like it works really good. It's supposed to exfoliate, but the exfoliation is just too much for me, sis. Like, no, I just stick to the body scrubs. So that one is a no-go. I got that from Marshall's. I think that was like $4, but I'm not even gonna attempt to try to use it again, because like it hurt. So no. Another thing I got is another perfume, and this one is also from the Giorgio Armani sale. I didn't like this one either. This is the C Passione or Passione. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's really pretty to look at, but it's just not my flavor. Like, it's not my style. It's not my thing. I like perfumes that are kind of fruity but a little bit floral and soft. This one is it's just not my thing. I don't care for it. I don't know what's in it that's causing me to like sis, no. It just don't smell good to me. And I just went on a limb and tried it, which is something that I normally don't do with perfume. But because Sephora is like, you can't touch nothing, you can't smell nothing, you can't look at nothing. So I kind of just went on a whim and bought that one, because I like the original C and I own the original C. But this one, I just don't like. I don't like it at all. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is this Yankee candle, the Frozen Rosé. I don't like this. I don't know what made me buy this when I was in the store. I think these were on sale for $8 during their semi-annual sale. It's just something in it that I don't like. I love floral scented candles. Love them. I love me a good glass of rosé, but the two together is just not hitting for me, sis. Like, boo. I don't like this. It doesn't have what the notes are on the bottom of it, but this is a candle that I think I burned it like once or twice. I think I burned it once, and I burned it for about 2 hours to kind of see like if it would change, if I would like it, if I mixed it with another candle. Girl, I don't like this candle. I can't stand it, so I ain't burning it no more. Y'all forgot to mention these Santa Fall candles in Winter Pine, and the other is in White Pumpkin. I really love these, and I got these at Marshall's. But anyway, y'all, that sums up the things that I've been loving and the things that I ain't liking so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the products that I mentioned in the video. If I can find them, I'll link them below. But y'all know I ain't gonna be able to find nothing from no Marshalls, so let's not even go there. But the other products, I will link them below. And y'all, let me know what y'all think about this C Passione perfume. A lot of people like it, but I just can't stand it, so I will be gifting this around the holidays. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.